Hi everyone, how we doing? Today is a new chapter in the repair company's growth, really. So we've taken on a container. Yeah, give us this person I know, Vic from No Nonsense. He had a container and he's handed it over to me and got to meet the bloke, pay him. And it's just to store my stuff because my van was getting really full. So I'm going to show you. I'm not telling you where it is, but I'll show you, all right? Well, there's my van. So if you want any repairs done, and if you want a sign writing done, Steve Garrett Signs, don't you done the sign? There's my number plate so you don't miss me. And that's my motive. Certainly true for me. So this was what was in my little van. You see my van there? And this is what's just come out of it. Look what was in that van. Unbelievable. Oh, like TV Times, you didn't know there's so much in it. Got all this, everyone go, oh, it's rubbish, it's rubbish. Not rubbish. It's white, excuse me, a bit dusty. So yeah, there you go. Oh, I didn't show you what's left in the van. I'm going to take it to the skip now. So. Look at it in there. God. For all your local double glazing repairs. Catch you soon. Bye.